Spiritual wandering in nature can be an incredibly powerful and transformative experience. It allows us to connect with the natural world, tap into our innermost thoughts, and gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place within the universe. Immersing oneself in nature can foster spiritual awareness by providing clarity on our purpose in life, allowing us to see beyond our limited perspective and gaining a greater connection with the beauty and sacredness of the natural world. Spending time spiritually wandering in nature increases our sensitivity, allowing us to contemplate how we are a part of nature and not something apart. Exploring the benefits of spiritual wandering in nature has become increasingly popular in recent years as more people turn to nature for spiritual enrichment and inner peace that seems not to be found elsewhere. The practice of engaging with nature spiritually goes back centuries, with many people seeking solace in the outdoors in search of spiritual benefits. The process of exploring one's spirituality while interacting with nature involves acknowledging the interconnectedness between all living things. This can provide us an opportunity to learn how each part contributes to a greater whole where everything is connected. It enables us to see how our actions affect the environment around us and how we are linked to the planet itself on a spiritual level. Through this realization, we gain perspective on our place within the universe and how we can achieve harmony with our surroundings. The next time you are out in nature, allow yourself to step away from all the goal-oriented thinking and just appreciate the journey. Letting go of your expectations and allowing yourself to simply meander can be an extremely spiritual experience. It offers the perfect opportunity to take in all that nature has to offer around you, discovering what's in each moment without feeling burdened by any rules or expectations. When we let our guards down, we begin to open ourselves up to new opportunities for knowledge in moments full of profound beauty. Whatever you feel or experience is good, so let it happen and guide you where it will. As you wander in nature, give yourself permission to open your heart and senses to whatever catches your attention. Don't take a goal-oriented approach. Instead, simply allow yourself to explore and observe. Look around you. What do you see? Notice the different colors of the trees or a lake's frozen surface, reflecting back the wide open sky that changes with every passing moment. Listen carefully. Hear the rustling of branches, leaves, or how the sounds of various birds are always there once we slow down to listen. Take in those beautiful aromas that reach up from the soil, flowers, or whatever is around you in wild nature. If you are so moved, ask permission of whatever is before you and tentatively touch, noticing how this living being in nature feels rough or smooth, cold or otherwise. There is so much to explore and so many connections to make. Seeking spiritual guidance can often be difficult, but when you make the time to wander in nature and listen for the still, small voice within you, it will provide insights and help guide you throughout life's journey. It does not matter if the voice is our own or if we perceive communication from the natural world around us. If we take the time to be present with ourselves and to cultivate an inner awareness, our intuition, connected with the earth, can give us wisdom. Listening to that place within helps guide us down a path of enlightenment, allowing us to step out of the world of power relationships, busyness, and worldly confusion, and into clarity. As we let go of our expectations and worries, and instead simply find peace in simple being, connecting with those other than human, it allows us to hear what our inner voice or sacred mystery is trying to say. Put aside your devices and distracting thoughts and let your soul speak. Its whisper is telling you something beautiful. Taking a moment to get out and enjoy nature can be a profound experience, both for the body and the mind. When you are outdoors, tune into yourself and your surroundings. Notice how the sunlight warms you or a breeze touches your skin. Pay attention to the sights, smells, and sounds that make up your natural environment. Be aware of the emotions that come with being outside in nature. Do you find yourself feeling inspired or energized? Maybe peaceful? These physical sensations can offer important insight into what is occurring beyond our conscious awareness. By paying attention to your body and its response to nature, you may open yourself up to spiritual awakenings, unexpected revelations about yourself, or a more fully connectedness with life around you. Nature is a powerful force that can bring us out of the day-to-day hecticness of our lives and into a realm of inner calm and reflection. There is an air of quiet in the woods or a park, a feeling that something greater exists beyond the physicality of our lives if we just take the time to recognize it. When you immerse yourself in nature, acknowledge that there may be some deeper spiritual significance or higher purpose guiding you. Have the openness to quietly discover something hidden beneath the surface, a special source of peace and connection with our inner selves and the more than human others around us. Trust that there is something infinitely more profound than what you can see with your eyes or touch with your hands. The next time you find yourself in nature, remember these tips on how to have this spiritual experience when you slow down and spiritually wander. Allow yourself to wander without destination-oriented thinking, and be open to the sights, sounds, smells, and textures around you. Listen for the still small voice within that tries to guide your direction and experience. Pay attention to your body and what it is telling you about your surroundings. And trust that something is deeper at work here than just the physical world around you. Go for a contemplative wander in nature and be open to whatever happens.